Hey guys, I just harvested my second carrot patch and I'm actually quite shocked. I've never seen carrots this big before, so let's go take a look at it. So the second carrot patch was put in the sandy soil I have on the front part of my yard over here. So all this soil is very sandy, and I guess this worked. You could actually see the layer of where the carrots grew down to the clay underneath, and then it stopped growing and pushed out of the soil. So in contrast, my other patch of carrots was here. So this soil is very heavy in the clay, and you could see from the harvest video at the very end there, I have all the carrots, and a bunch of them were really small. But check these out. Now you're wondering how big that is? That's how big that is. That is the length of my arm. Almost up to my elbow. I don't know why that one's white. Look how big these carrots are. Look at this thing. It doesn't even fit on the screen here. Uses wide angle lens just to even get it on here. Absolutely massive. So you can see the green line here. This is where it popped out of the soil. So it went, this is how much sand there is. It's basically about a foot of sand and then hit clay. And there's actually a purple one here too, which is gross. It's all gnarly. I'll probably, let's chop off and use this. Eat the rest of it. This one, like, these carrots are weird. They're like split open. This one is kind of more of a crimson color. And there's actually a couple here that are very nice. This one, look at that, that's a perfect carrot, big. Another one here too. Oh, this is another weird one. This one. Yeah, this one's nice. Carrot's cracked, but whatever. So yeah, that's my carrot haul, my second patch. So I still have a few other things I'm pulling out of my garden. I still have my entire beet patch that has to come out, which is over there. And yeah, drying my amaranth and a few other things. I'm still pulling strawberries out of here. But yeah, that does it for this episode. I just wanted to show you guys these massive carrots because I was quite surprised. The sand really does make a difference. As you can see, same soil. One that has sand, one that doesn't. So enjoyed this video. Why don't you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until next one, have a great day.